Hi, this is Martin, Technical Account Manager at GitLab. Today, I would like to talk to you about tracking CI adoption. So whether you're new to GitLab and can't wait getting started with CI, or you want to roll out new features based on CI in your organization, you may be asking yourself, well, which projects have adopted which CI features? How many have implemented SAST, code quality, JUnit tests? How many are using this central pipeline library I defined? Or how many are still using that one outdated image? For some of it, you can use our DevOps adoption functionality. So the DevOps adoption report covers some of the facets. For example, you can see the adoption of certain secure features and pipelines in general. You can also track other DevOps features like code owners and MR approvals for the whole group and for subgroups and over time. That is a very powerful feature that gives you a good overview over your DevSecOps adoption, but it's not very granular and it's not very configurable yet. So the solution is implement the CI adoption dashboard. This is a custom report using GitLab CI in Pages. It has deep project level insight into your CI adoption patterns. It's very configurable and can pick up and report on any patterns you would like to find in CI files, and it allows tracking usage over time across as many groups and projects as you like with a cross-filterable dashboard. Okay, that's awesome. It's just what I need, but how does this work? The TLDR is we'll parse CI files and we look for keyword patterns. So here we have all our projects, and in the projects we have the CI files, and in the CI files we're using CI keywords to, make stuff happen. Now, this adoption report will download all CI files and it will lint them to resolve the includes to basically get the whole CI configuration of the project. And then we extract keyword paths. So what we end up with is from this, for example, job, image, Python, script, artifacts, paths file, we come up with a list of these paths: job, artifacts, reports, SAST in this case. And now as a second part, we'll define criteria to measure adoption. So we take all these keyword paths from all our projects, and then we define a number of adoption criteria. For example, our adoption criteria for SAST may be it needs to have this path in the CI file. It needs to say artifacts report SAST. And we can find it in this project path. So we have a bingo. We can set for this project, we can set adoption SAST to true. So recommended paths in terms of adoption here would be, for example, all the artifacts reports ones, because they make special features happen like security scanning or code quality. So now we only have to find which keywords we are looking for in CI and can map them to that dashboard. And we can map them to that really nice dashboard that we can then cross-filter, drill down really which projects have adopted SAST, which projects have not adopted SAST at all, right? We can limit it to that one special group we are interested in and track it over time. We can limit it to certain subgroups and all their subgroups, right? We can use the search itself to find like custom groupings of projects, see their overall process, and then we can really drill down here and see where we are, even download a CSV if we want. So yeah. Thank you very much. Have fun adopting CI.